Hello, welcome back. This is gonna be a random vlog. In Canada, there is a big snowstorm. I'll just show you outside for a moment.
It's always so nice.
Look at it. Lock him out. Anyways, yes. So there's a big snowstorm in Canada, and we are going out to buy vegetables before it starts. So random. Here's that child up there. If you have straight hair, you'll understand her agony. She doesn't want to go in the snow and get her hair wet. Look at it all. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's like fresh. It's gonna snow all day today, all day tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, so I don't know if we'll be able to go to church, but we will see. It already snowed a couple days ago, so there's already so much snow. But this snow's very fluffy, so I ate it. Is it bad to eat snow? Looks like I have dandruff in my hair. Do you like this weather?
Yeah.
I don't know why also we're going to buy vegetables. It's kind of weird.
We're going to buy this.
You know? Yeah, we're just going to buy vegetables so we can eat veggies tomorrow or something.
Why we're going?
Yeah?
Now we're going to like shop.
Well, we might go to the thrift store.
Vegetables.
Yesterday we found this baby belt under the seat, so should I eat it?
Yes.
We're gonna see if it's rotten. Mom's
Why
gonna
would
come
it be
in and
rotten?
knock my camera. It's really old. It's been under the
Cameras,
seat.
one of my eyes look small. I hate it.
Guys. It's fine.
Of course.
Of course it is. What else?
It's really
would it
rotten. Does it taste good?
Tastes good to me. Want a bite?
No.
Okay, so we got our veggies. I didn't bring my camera in because it was too busy and I didn't want to be an embarrassment to my family.
Why are you filming a YouTube video going to get veggies?
Because it's like a storm in Canada. Grace has no imagination.
Size of those snowbanks. Did you get
I don't know if you can. No.
Look at those mounds of snow.
I know.
You can't even see anything.
a wheelchair?
Look, there's an ambulance
White.
there.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah, it's for the apartment. I think someone got shot.
No.
For sure.
No.
Our favorite
store.
Woo! I'm gonna be an embarrassment to Grace. Grace, I'm gonna film inside.
I don't actually care. I just don't.
I found socks for Papa. They have little coffee on them. Grace thinks she's a grandma. I know, you are. Grace is shopping like a heartless shopper.
Oh, look at the long.
I'm not going on that side. Such a creepy man. This is so soft.
I thought you were.
It's a nice brown bodysuit. I don't wear brown. I wanted a black
that?
one, but oh, it's
What's
a
the
ball.
make?
SWS contour. Is that
Oh, I
SW?
don't know.
Look how cute that is.
Then I
The
can
Shein.
go buy it for like
The curse of Shein.
Guess what?
Grace always does my jean shopping because
No,
I can never find anything.
looking at the bag.
Yeah.
And I'm spilling my secret.
Every time we look at hoodies, I'm anticipating to find like a BTS, a Stray Kids, some merch.
Guys, you're not pushing in front.
I want to look. She won't let me look. NASA.
There's literally nothing.
You find merch? Tell me. Praise, you're not. Oh, the one you dropped was really cute. Look. Casetify, but it has minions. I don't like minions. Look, a sushi serving kit. Yum! Has a DVD. It tells you how to serve it. Did you find anything?
No, Gable's getting desperate. He's just picking all garbage.
Hi. I'm almost time to leave. I'm almost time
Are
to
there any
leave.
things for the tomatoes?
What?
No, that's for the machine. Or no, where the machine.
Mom, look at that red dish down there, like the one you have. Gabe, he put on all the cooking timers in the other aisle, and then he walked away, and now they're all going off. Okay, we're in the car. We got mostly kitchen supplies, and
Clean our hands.
oh yeah, can I have some sanitizer? I'm in the car by myself. Everyone went into Barburrito fresh Mexican grill. So we're getting 2 burritos. Grace and I are going to share, and then Mom and Gabe are going to share. Papa doesn't like burritos, so he's going to buy bread and cheese and meat and make his sandwich. Yeah, but we're going home soon, and that's basically it for this vlog. I have nothing else to say, nothing else to do. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and yeah, if you like my videos, just subscribe. It really helps me out. Bye.